Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Resident Evil 3 Remake not launching. So let's start. The first step you need to do, go to the Windows icon right here. After that, search for settings. Now go to the left menu and select Windows Update. After that, make sure you install the latest available updates. So click on check or install or retry if you do have the button. Just wait for it to finish. For the next step, go to the Windows taskbar. You can see this hidden upside arrow. So click on it. After that, go to the launcher you have the game on, which is Steam for me. Right click. After that, select exit. After that, go to task manager and ensure that the launcher is still not running right here. So search for it. If you do have the launcher is here, right click. After that, select end task. Now just wait for the moment and open the Steam launcher once again. Go to library. After that, go to collections and search for Resident Evil 3 Remake in the search right here. I will use this game for the explanation. Once you select it, just go to this gear icon in the right. After that, go to properties. Now this tab will pop up. So go to the launch options and type in like this -dx12. After that, go to installed files on the left menu and click on verify integrity of game files. Just wait for the process to finish, begins verifying the original files of the game and check if it has corrupted or missing files, and it will be recovered safely without any issues. Now for the last step, go to the Windows icon. After that, make sure to reset your computer. After that, try opening the game once again and your issue should be fixed. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.